Hello, everyone, and thanks for being with us on this episode of Property Doctor. On this program, we talk about buildings, how you manage and maintain your buildings to keep it safe and for help you save time and money. Today, we have something very important we're going to talk about, and don't go away.
Oh, I'm coming. If you hand over to government to maintain, the budget the money and share it.
To live in that particular place that the house is. So it's supposed government will even compensate them so that and pay them and relocate them to where they are going and build another house for them.
Careful engineering and management to meet human needs.
My name is Fumi Amunega Ajayi, also known as your Property Doctor. You can connect with us on Facebook, on Instagram, and on YouTube, like you're doing right now on Property Doctor NG, and on Twitter at Property Doc NG. Today we'll be talking about wall maintenance. Wall maintenance begins with you. You see, taking care of our buildings actually starts from the design stage when buildings are being planned, designed, and produced. When you build walls, not like the expression of building a wall to keep someone away, but building walls to keep you safe in your environment. In one of our videos, I talked about the types of walls and the materials we use to construct the walls. We talked about wood, we talked about block, concrete, so many things that we talked about. You can watch the video on the wall construction. Today we are looking at taking care of the wall no matter the material that has been used to build the wall. You see, when you wake up, you see your walls in the building. And when you are looking at your building, the walls will be speaking to you and the walls will be showing you how you are taking care of them. This is very important. So it's good you take care of the walls so that when you're looking at it, you'll be happy. People should learn not to touch the walls. This is not just for the sake of the walls, but for proper hygiene, for you to be safe, and for the walls to be clean and healthy. People actually spit on their walls, especially in the restrooms, on the stairway, and so many other places. Usually, when they spit on the wall, it leaves a dirty mark and it remains there. Please do not spit on our walls. Some people get so angry and they kick the walls or hit the wall when they are angry. Please look for another way to let out the heat, not by hitting the wall or somebody. Learn to manage your anger properly. Do not puncture the wall with nails arbitrarily. Instead of putting nails in different areas, you should nail with precision. Use the appropriate machines to put the nails on the wall or to post your picture on the wall. Some people have posters on the wall, maybe outside. It can be very annoying when you see clean wall and somebody will just put a poster on it. Other people's walls and can mess up everything. Some people write on the walls, especially children. Please get writing boards for our children so that they can write on them. This will help you preserve the look of your wall. Also, teach them not to write on walls. Now, another important thing is we need to eliminate dampness on our walls. When the wall is damp, you can see mold growing on the wall, the color changes, and the wall might even lose its strength, becomes weak. The paint will peel off. It is not good. It will make the size of it looks appalling. It's good to paint your walls when you see that the paint is getting dull or peeling or cracking or fading away. You can watch our video on wall management and painting and all that. So effective maintenance tip for your walls in your home is that you remove the dust or dirt from the wall, cobwebs and all that. Remove them from the wall. Clean and remove stains from the wall. You can use soap and clean off the wall, or you can just use a duster to remove the dirt on the wall. Now, if you have a damaged portion of your wall, repair it and make sure that it is safe. Now prevent dampness or seepage of water into the building or into the wall. Sometimes there will be seepage of water is entering the wall, you might not even know that is there. And if you have any other tip on wall management, please leave a comment below. Thank you for being with us on this episode. I hope you learned something. Let's keep our walls safe and beautiful. If you're still watching, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please click on the like button if you did, and you can click on the subscribe button so that you can join this family, the Property Doctor family. We are waiting to welcome you. What are you waiting for? Don't forget to click on the alert button so that you get notified whenever a new episode comes up. We hope to see you same time next week for another interesting episode of Property Doctor. Until then, enjoy the rest of your day and keep our walls clean and safe. Bye.
Oh, I'm coming. If you hand over to government to maintain, the budget the money and share it.
To live in that particular place that the house is. So it's supposed government will even compensate them so that and pay them and relocate them to where they are going and build another house for them.
Careful engineering and management to meet human needs.